Yeah, feel me? I'm still up in bed. You feel me, man? It's 2:40. It's 2:46 now, though. Feel me, man? But you feel me? Laying down again. Got the TV on, cause you feel me? Hold on, I'm still texting the babe. I don't know what's there. The only time we all day. Together. Feel me, man? But anyways, you feel me, man? I'm hot though. Shit. Ain't got no yolks like me. Yo. Trying to take my shine like this summer. Oh yeah, y'all wanna slap LBG, man? Shout out LBG, yo. Let me see. Yeah, man, that was LB to G, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shout out LB to G, man. I'm stupid, man. Feel me, man? Yeah. Man, I'm bored right now, so I'm finna stop this, man. Feel me, man? Y'all wanna see my other wax? Where is that? Fuck, it's on top of my TV. That's too far. Nah, matter of fact, come on, let's go. Come on, let me see how much battery I got. Come on. Put his body in a tree trumper and crush his whole body, throw away my thumper. His fish is on my tush, like she on my purse, she on my bumper. She in LA. I don't care about nothing. I'm finna go to LA right now by myself, man. You feel me? Who wanna come? Who wanna come to LA with me? Let's see my house. This fish is on my tushy, on my fresh, on my bumper. think I get sick. I think I'm getting sick, man. I can't be sick before school, man. I ain't been sick all summer, all school year. Now I'm getting sick, man. Oh, y'all wanna see the Jags, man? Jaguars, man. My thing, Jesse Bethel, man. They want me there. Man, I'm getting sick. Man, I'm finna make me some cereal though. This fish is on my tasty, on my freshy, on my baba. Should I eat cereal or cereal? Nah, I ain't gonna eat cereal. That's what you eat when you don't know what to cook or no, you're home alone, man. You cook those. They're good. I don't know where to find them at though. Probably Safeway, I don't know. They just showed in my freezer one day. I threw them on there. Feel me? What I do, man? Let me throw one of these things. Back to the crib. What time? We on 7:30, man. Switches on my tissue, on my butt. I think I heard somebody. How many minutes? 2? 2 minutes? Alright. Watch this, Look, I didn't touch that. It's just one touch button and it goes. You feel me? This video gonna be over by the time it's ready though. So I think I'll make another one after. I gotta go take a piss though. His fish is on my tissue. Fresh. Bye-bye. You know. I get wasted. How many seconds we on? Ooh, it's about to go off. You feel me? We slap some LB to G on the outro, man.